Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to export contacts from Gmail to iPhone. Exporting contacts from Gmail to iPhone can be beneficial for various reasons, streamlining your communication and ensuring access to import contacts on your mobile device. Open a web browser on your iPhone, such as Safari or Google Chrome. In the browser, navigate to contacts.google.com, where all your Google account contacts are stored. Ensure that you are logged into the correct Google account from which you want to transfer contacts to your iPhone. Once on the contacts page, you have the option to select specific contacts or all contacts. For individual contacts, tap the box next to the person's name. After selecting contacts, tap the three lines at the top left, then choose Export under the Import option. You will see the option to export as a Google CSV, Outlook, or vCard for iOS contacts. Choose the last option, vCard for iOS contacts, and tap Export. A contact will pop up on your iPhone. You can choose to create a new contact, add to a new contact, or edit an existing contact. Open the contact, tap Add New Contact, and then tap Done. Now, you have successfully transferred that contact from Google and Gmail to your iPhone. Repeat these steps for additional contacts if needed. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.